Welcome to this in-depth review of Docly, a modern telehealth platform designed to connect patients with licensed healthcare professionals anytime, anywhere. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Docly, from its user interface to the overall quality of its services. Let's start by exploring the website itself. When you first visit Docly's homepage, you're greeted by a clean and professional layout. The main menu is intuitively organized, making it easy to navigate through different sections such as consultations, how it works, and pricing. Creating an account on Docly is a straightforward process. All you need to do is provide your basic details and complete the quick registration form. Once registered, you'll land on your personalized dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your medical history, ongoing consultations, and appointment schedules. From here, you can easily book a virtual consultation by selecting your preferred time and choosing a healthcare professional based on their specialties and ratings. Point one of Docly's standout features is its secure messaging system. This allows patients to communicate directly with their healthcare provider for quick follow-ups or clarifications. The platform also supports video consultations, offering high-definition video quality that makes the experience feel personal and professional. Docly's pricing structure is transparent, with options for one-time consultations and subscription plans for ongoing care. The subscription model is particularly useful for individuals managing chronic conditions, as it provides unlimited consultations for a fixed monthly fee. For those concerned about data privacy, Docly employs state-of-the-art encryption technology to safeguard all personal and medical information. This ensures compliance with global health data regulations like GDPR and HIPAA. Throughout my review, I tested the platform's performance on both desktop and mobile devices. The mobile app, available for iOS and Android, mirrors the website's functionality and offers a seamless experience for users who prefer accessing telehealth services on the go. Overall, Docly stands out as a reliable and user-friendly telehealth solution. Whether you need a quick diagnosis, prescription refills, or ongoing medical advice, Docly provides an accessible and efficient way to manage your healthcare remotely. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more tech and telehealth reviews. Your support helps me create more content to guide you in choosing the best tools and platforms for your needs.